Which country looks like a boat? Hello junior chefs, welcome to Junior's Kitchen. Today we are in Italy, we make risotto. We need oil, onions, garlic, rice, wine, water, Parmesan, salt and stock. We have many rices. For risotto we use Arborio. Do you want to see some magic? Ta-da! Grate the cheese. Mise en place is ready. Let's start the cooking. Heat up the stock in one pot. Oil in the other pot. Onions and garlic in the oil. Now add the rice. Don't drink and drive, cook and dine. Wine in. Alcohol goes away when you cook it. When the liquid is gone, add more stock. After 15 minutes, try if it's ready. It needs a few more minutes. When the rice is soft, add butter and Parmesan. If you want, add a little salt. Risotto is ready, we serve. Risotto is ready, buon appetito, ciao and goodbye.